Can you buy guns online? Okay, guys, a lot of stuff that you hear from the left is that you can buy guns online and ship them to your door like 2 days later, kind of like Amazon. That's at least what they want to portray, and that anybody can just buy guns online. So I'm going to fact check that real quick. So, yes, you can buy guns online, but no, you cannot ship them to your front door unless you have an FFL, a federal firearms license. And if you've gone through that whole background check, that paperwork, the interview, I have actually a video on how to get your FFL right here. But if you buy a firearm line, it has to go to an FFL dealer. That's gone through that whole process, and then you have to fill out your 4473. You have to get a background check. If you don't pass that background check, they'll tell you to beat it, and they'll ship your firearm back to the place you bought it, and you can't take it home. So you have to be able to pass a background check. But if you do pass all that, and then you wait for your FFL to get it. You go fill out that 4473, you pass it, and you take it home just like you would any other firearm from an FFL dealer. So yeah, you can buy them online, but you cannot ship them to your home.